If you're holding a phone right now, ask yourself, why aren't you making money with AI? The truth is, your small phone today can rival a full production house. Look at this. This is AI-generated furniture, and this is a furniture ad shoot. No real furniture, no videographer, just pure AI power. In today's video, AIexplore will show you how to create professional, high-converting furniture ad shoot for free using AI. So let's get started. First step is generate furniture from a prompt. Every product launch is a risk. What if it doesn't sell? Your job is to reduce that risk by creating demand before anything is made. And the best part? You don't need to know how to draw. Just ask ChatGPT to create a unique sofa draw. Boom, it is ready. Just head to ChatGPT, upload your product sketch, paste the prompt, and hit generate. No worries, the prompt is ready for you in the description. The prompt should make the sofa look realistic. Now you can create a hyper-realistic image that looks like it was shot in a luxury studio, complete with perfect lighting, soft shadows, and cinematic camera angles. All of it, crafted from a single text prompt. You're in full creative control. No design skills required. Second step is furniture photoshoot. Here, you just helped the business owner visualize their product before it even existed and sparked real market demand. Now, let's talk about product photoshoots. And trust me, there's serious money involved. Just snap a few photos of their sofa with your phone, upload them to ChatGPT, paste the photoshoot prompt I've provided, and hit generate. Boom! You've got a stunning, professional-looking photoshoot done in seconds. So all you need to do is deliver top-tier quality on a low budget. Trust me, when business owners see what you can do, they'll want to work with you. Follow AIexplore to get more AI-related ideas, subscribe to the channel, and check the description below. All right, friends, take care.